How to leave your own Discord server. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can leave your own Discord server, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to delete your own Discord server, you just have to leave the server and there's no other way to do it. So first of all, open up your browser and then just go to discord.com. Then what you want to do is simply navigate to that server, click the drop down arrow right over here and then just go to server settings. Once you go to server settings, scroll down here and you should be able to find the option called delete server. When you click the delete server option, just enter your server name, click on the delete server option in order to successfully delete your server. This way you'll be able to leave your server for good. Hope this video helped you guys. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial and see you soon in our next video.